This video will show you how to disassemble the front cover of a Q18. The following tools are required to perform this maintenance: a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver. Before you begin, make sure you always disconnect the machine from power. Use the flathead screwdriver to flip the side strip loose. Then, remove the entire strip. Remove both screws on the side of the cover. When unscrewed, you can take out the cover by starting to pull the bottom side towards yourself. Then you can pull out the front cover. Now, you can remove the middle metal plate by pulling it up and tilting it out of the profile at the top. Disconnect the cables first before you can remove the cover completely. Lastly, you can remove the small plate on the left of the machine. Remove the cover by pulling it up and tilting the top out of the profile. You can now perform any maintenance. To place the cover back, first insert the small cover. Lift it into the profile at the top and press it into place. Next, you can press the middle cover into place. First, reconnect all the wiring. Then, lift the cover into the top profile and press it into place at the bottom. Lastly, you can put the front cover back into place. Place the upper side into the groove, then press the whole cover back into place. Reattach the screws on both sides of the machine. Press the strip into the groove on one side and carefully press it into place. When the strip is almost fully placed, first press the end of the strip into place and then press the upstanding part until you hear a click. You have now successfully disassembled the front cover of a Q18. For more instruction, go to ultrasuninternational.com.